Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. I am Varun Lamba, your personality development and soft skill trainer. Guilt can be a depressing feeling that prevents us from moving forward with our life. It may be difficult to understand how we can stop the negative feelings and deal with our past actions. However, this video will guide us through the process and help us move towards a better future. We feel guilty because of two reasons. Either we did or said something which was not apt, or the second reason is we did not do something which we would have done in a particular situation. The first step is to identify and categorize the guilt. Sometimes we may feel guilty when we don't need to feel guilty. In this, there is no fault of ours, but we still feel guilty. This type of guilt is known as unhealthy or unproductive guilt because it is not serving a purpose, it just makes us feel bad. The second type of guilt is where we did something, said something which was not apt, or we did not do what we could have done. This is a guilt that helps us to understand when we may be at fault for something. This guilt, if understood properly, becomes a healthy guilt. The next step is to do away with the unproductive guilt as it does not lead us anywhere. Rather, it becomes a vicious cycle of energy depletion. A slight understanding of the unproductive guilt is good enough to do away with it. Be open to the possibility that you feeling guilty about might not really make any logical sense. Yes, of course, it makes emotional sense. However, if you remove your emotions from the situation, maybe there is nothing there to feel guilty about. Maybe it's just all in your head. Now, when we are left with the healthy guilt, we need to do a little digging in order to decipher the primary reasons for our guilt. Ask oneself, what am I feeling guilty about? Why am I feeling guilty? What is the underlying reason for my guilt? What could have been done in a better way? What is there to learn? No matter what the reason is for your guilt, it's important to remember that you are feeling guilty for a reason, and this guilt is telling you that you are heading in the wrong direction. It's time to reconsider your choices and decisions and take a different path moving forward. In fact, see guilt as an opportunity for you to re-examine or correct your behavior, or even a chance to repair a broken relationship. It's an opportunity for you to right the wrongs. At the same time, be kind to oneself and forgive yourself too. Lastly, at times, even after knowing the reasons of guilt and learning from them, we still want that we change the things. This gives so much pressure. Accept that things can't be changed. It's important to remember during this step that the past cannot be changed. No matter how much you indulge in the feelings of guilt, it will not help you to time travel into the past and do things differently. That is the only way you will be able to correct things and move forward with your life. What has already happened, and you can't go back into the past and change things. However, there might be certain things you can still do that can help you improve your circumstances and therefore potentially eliminate your feelings of guilt. If you fail to make the necessary adjustments to your behavior and maybe choose instead to ignore your guilt, then guilt could easily turn into regret or shame. Don't deny or resist the feeling. Yes, you cannot change the past. However, this does not mean that you cannot make things better in the present moment. The choice is yours to make. I hope you find this video helpful to make your life better than before. Thank you.